Hey Year 5, you lucky things, you get me, Miss Fear, on for maths this week, and we got lots of things to get on with. Today's lesson is about translation. Translation means moving a shape to a different position without changing it in any way. So we might move it left or right, and then up or down. The shape must look exactly the same though for it to be a translation. So I've given you the left and rights to help you out. I'd like you to have a look and try and work out how many spaces these shapes have been translated by. I'll show you with the first one to help you. The blue square, we want to get it to the green square. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, and 1, 2 down. So to get from the blue square to the green square, it's 4 right and 2 down. You have a go with the other squares. So here were the answers. Hopefully that's what you've got. Pause the video now and have a go at creating one of your own and describing the translation. We're looking at translation again. The question asks you, can you write the translation from shape A to shape D? Remember, they have to look exactly the same, just slid across for it to be a translation. I like to start by putting a dot on one point. That helps me find the same point again and count each square. So to get from A to D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the shape looks exactly the same. 5 units or 5 squares to the left. Have a go this time. Can you write the translation from shape A to shape F? Let's have a look at the answer. Oh, it says it isn't a translation. Can you explain why moving shape A to shape F would not be a translation? Ah, it's because the shapes change shape. It would actually be a reflection. It's flipped. Pause the video and have a go at seeing if you can describe any other translations you can find. Okay, finally, this one's a challenge. Have a look. Can you describe the translation that moves point A to 2.5, 3? You'll need your coordinates knowledge from last week. So 2.5 to 3. What would it take for point A to move 2.5 to 3? You can describe it in either of these ways. Then have a look. What would it take for point B to move to 2.5, 3? Pause the video and have a go. Let's look at our answers. For A to move to 2.5, 3, it would have to move 1.5 units to the left and 2 units down. You might have described it as 2 down and 1.5 to the left. For B to move to 2.5, 3, it would have to move 2.5 units to the left and 2 units down. Again, you might have described it either way round. You've worked hard today, so I thought I'd reward you with a little picture of Thor. He tried to help with the baking this week. It did not go well. See you again tomorrow.